Hi there. Today we're talking about the core blossoms, the nature of Japan. Let's go forward. About cherry blossoms. A cherry blossom is a flower of any of several trees of genus Prunus, partially Japanese cherry Prunus ceruleata, which is sometimes called Sakura after the Japanese. They are bloomed and fell from the cherry blossom trees. You could find them in federal Japan. Right there, this is the federal living. And then there's a sakura blossoms right there. This is what the federal living looks in Japan. And blossom fruit. A wild varieties of cherry blossoms produce small, unpalatable fruit or edible cherries. Edible cherries generally come from cultivars of the related species Prunus avum and Prunus cereus. And right there, to me, they look like a plum. Yeah, the blossom starts growing, then it turns to fruit. Yeah, from flower to fruit, that's what it looks. Cherry blossom season in Japan. In this picture, you can see people walking in the streets and some bushes, and then that's the Blossom Park. And right there, there's a Sakura tree in the season. And that season is spring. Cherry blossom season in Japan is generally said to be late March to April, but given the geographical scope of the country, the blooming period actually covers around 4 months. That's amazing. 4 months. 4 months of spring. And the subtropical islands of Okinawa in the south, cherry blossoms begin blooming in mid January, the best viewing time around early February. The National Blossom Festival. Do you know that if you have a cherry blossom in your neighborhood, you can take a kid for a walk and discuss the flowering trees? Tradition says for the short time that cherry trees are blooming reflects the Buddhist idea that life is fleeting. It's one season. The cherry blossoms are a symbol of Japanese life. They're even form of art called Katsubeisiku from the bark of the cherry tree. And the Blossom Festival is where you can see cherry blossoms. It is located in Thomas Jefferson Memorial in Washington, D.C. Thank you. I hope you like and subscribe to Kawaii Magic channel. But if you want to see Kawaii Magic, you could go on YouTube and spell Kawaii Magic. Kawaii Magic. Kawaii Magic. Thank you and have a great day.